Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, now as many of you know, I do go to Harbor Freight and buy a lot of stuff. I've got my U.S. General toolbox, I got all my Pittsburgh tools, I've got a lot of stuff, okay? Now, one thing I thought I had done was a review of something I bought there last year. It's like, I just realized, no I had not. And this is because of Mr. Jeff King from Dental Tools that I realized this. So I'm going to do my review of the Bauer 20 volt narrow crown stapler in the 18 gauge. So this is it, okay? I actually bought this because at the time what I had was I still have it, but I want to using the rigid crown stapler. The only problem I had was I was using a DeWalt battery operated air compressor. That damn thing's noisy. I've done a showing that. Harbor Freight came out with this from the Bauer line. It's like that would be perfect. So yeah, I went and bought it, and I tell you, I have not been disappointed with it. I've seen reviews saying they don't like it. It's a piece of junk. I've not had a problem with mine, okay? Some people say they can't figure out how to load it. Really? It doesn't take, it's not really all that hard and difficult to figure out how to get this thing loaded. Got my strip of staples. Right now, show you how good it is, because I had some people seen some reviews saying it doesn't go all the way through. I've just got a couple of pieces of scrap 5/8 plywood. Now, that one and that one are up a little bit, but there is an adjustment right here that you can actually dial it to go deeper. Now, I was holding it down. This one here, that one's up a little bit, but now mind you, this one, and this one here were the first three. But these last three, that one, actually that one and that one there, that's when I was holding it down. So that might be something you have to do. But that's together. That is together. And mind you also right now, everybody knows I'm going through my therapy on my hand after I got it cut with a miter saw. So that's, I will say this, the Bauer the 20 volt narrow crown stapler, I like it. You don't have to worry about being tied to an air compressor or an air hose. You can take it anywhere you want. If you've got a job that you need to get done and you don't have, say, access to an air compressor, air hose, electricity, and you got to build something, put something together, this is worth it. Alright, that's just my two thoughts on it. So, like I said, all I say is, I like it. That's my review. Later, guys.